Day 12 of collecting trash in the wild for every follower I have. We currently have 250 followers across all platforms.
Please leave a comment and like to help this go viral and reach more people.
Did you know? The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a floating island of plastic waste, covering over 1.6 million square kilometers, 3 times the size of France. Most of it comes from land-based litter that ends up in the ocean. Let's keep making an impact. Hit follow and join the mission. Follow for day 13. Every piece we pick up makes a difference.